the way my game looks now. Kind of fun, but, well, you can throw apples at each other for the rest of your life, and nothing is going to happen. So let's make a game to look more like a real game. So in this devlog, I will add a health indicator and implement game over restart menu. So looking at the My Game design doc, I see that the main elements present, but it seems that the missing 20% of the game, like the polish, is actually what would contribute to 80% of the game enjoyment. So let's create a health bar indicator. For this, I will just copy a player sprite, I will increase the size, and then I will make them kind of semi-transparent. I place both icons at the top of the screen, and I will call it Health UI. There are two states, full and a half. For me, it's kind of inspired by the games from Sega from 90s or something, and I hope it looks not so horrible. You need to hit other player twice to win, or be hit by an apple twice to lose. Well, it's all a matter of perspective. For the Game Over menu, I started first by trying to add a new room, but I didn't like the idea, so let's use GameMaker UI. I create a UI layer and I add a restart button. And then what I do is when I click the restart button, the game just resets from the start, so it's basically like endless loop of playing. The only cool thing is that I made my game controller persistent. Well, check my previous video, I explain everything about that there. So my music continues even if the game room restarts. A bit of testing, health bar works, game over menu works, restart works. So yeah, game doesn't look too horrible. You can try it out on itch.io, link will be in the description. And see you around, folks, in new devlogs.